Yeah, it's a document on itself.
Also no questions in the exam there. That's above.
Yes.
Yes, of course, Your Honor. I'd like to have one or two things clarified to this question.
No question. Witness is released.
Go back to work.
Your Honor, the next witness will be led by my colleague, Chief.
I swear by the Almighty God
I swear by the Almighty God
that the evidence I shall give
that the evidence I shall give
before this court, touching on matters in question, shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Kindly state your full name.
My name is Ken Mijungu.
Kenneth Mijungu.
Yes.
What do you do for a living?
Right now I'm a businessman and a consultant. I run a consultancy company.
In the year 2018, do you remember what you used to do?
Yes.
For a living?
Yes. I've been a journalist for 16 years. So in 2018 I was practicing journalism at National Media Group NTV.
At this juncture, we would like to play 2 separate clips which we would like to mark as DMFI 58 and 59 respectively before I continue with the question.
We've not been given a copy of the said clips that have been shared. If Council could also extend the same to us.
I have just shared it enough. Now she was going to produce it.
Bribing Governor Mike Sonko with $5 million. Meanwhile, the Nairobi-based businessman charged with bribing Governor Mike Sonko with 5 million shillings will remain in custody pending his bond application ruling.
Mombasa Senior Principal Magistrate Henry Nyakweba ordered the suspect to be remanded at Port Police Station. Praful Kumar denied offering the bribe to the governor to approve the building of Grand Mana Hotel in Gigiri.
The suspect was also charged with the second and third count of offering 2 million shillings to the governor for approval of the construction of the building. The prosecution said the suspect committed the offense on August 20th at Kanamai in Kikambala, Kilifi County.
From the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission on
We are now playing the second clip, Your Honor, as we have indicated earlier, DMFI 59.
this man who was arrested. Detectives from the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission are holding a Nairobi-based businessman who was arrested for allegedly attempting to bribe Governor Mike Sonko. The businessman, identified as Praful Kumar, was seeking approval for the Grand Mana Hotel in Mbuvi, Nairobi, which is under construction.
The anti-corruption body said it arrested the business tycoon with 1 million shillings after they were alerted of dubious events at the residence of Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko on Monday evening.
We've been able to recover the 1 million shillings, and we are going to use it as exhibit against him. And we are planning, as soon as we get the consent from the DPP, we'll be able now to arraign the businessman in court on Wednesday.
The trader is said to have gone to meet Sonko at his Kanamai residence in an attempt to bribe the governor to approve the construction of the Grand Manor Hotel, which was stopped. In response to what had transpired, Governor Sonko said he is there to serve Kenyans in a transparent way and to support President Uhuru Kenyatta's war on corruption.
We had suspended the construction of this building since January. It is not supposed to go over 5 floors because it's just outside the American embassy. It is just opposite the United Nations. These are just restricted areas, and we even received a warning. I remember when I was a senator, UN wanted to relocate their headquarters to Kigali or Addis Ababa. There were several letters, but nobody was paying attention to this kind of warnings. So he decided to proceed with the building. We suspended it again. Personally, I went there myself when we repossessed our fire engines, fire stations at Kigiri. Then I'm shocked. Today, this guy called me. He told me he wants to save me. I remember he had called me again.
The suspect will be taken to court on Wednesday to face charges related to bribery. Zainab Ismail, NTV.
Tell the Honorable Court a little bit about the extraction of those 2 news segment clips.
Okay.
Talk about the instructions, what gadgets you use, just in a nutshell.
So once these clips run on TV, Your Honor, we usually post them on YouTube for record and for history, for follow-up. So you're able to go to YouTube at any one time. So they stay on YouTube. They remain the property of the company, but they're accessible to the public, so that at any one time you're able to review or even watch them. So these clips have been on YouTube for the last 6 years. When this happened, I'm aware of this because at that time at NTV, I used to be the editor in charge of legal affairs. So anything that came from court came from my desk because I'm a lawyer by training. Yeah, so these clips are obtained from YouTube, and I was able to download them, which anyone else can, using our website. That you just copy the link and click download, and you can get them. So I used my personal laptop for downloading this.
Do you happen to know the serial number and the make of the laptop that you used?
Not offhand, but it's the one that is indicated here.
You can just read it out loud, please.
This is FVF ZX.
Come again.
FVF ZX 90 DL.
Come again.
90 DL YWJ.
What about the make of the gadget?
It's a MacBook Air.
Then how did you distribute this further?
After downloading on the order of this court that was made on the 14th of May, I gave them to my lawyer, who's Elizabeth. The production was based on the order that was made by the Honorable Court on the 15th. This is my personal affidavit. Yes, the certificate of electronic evidence of the computer.
Your Honor, DFI 60, certificate of electronic evidence. Would you like to produce these items before what?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, in the circumstances?
Pardon?
In the circumstances, Your Honor, we would like to have those as exhibit.
Cause Mr. Mijungu.
Exhibit number 58 and 59 in a flash disk. And exhibit number 60, the certificate of electronic evidence.
Where is exhibit 58? Every evidence should be served separately. That was the direction. No evidence should be mixed. Remember, I issued that direction last week.
Yes.
You may continue.
Okay. I don't know, I'd already recorded exhibit number 60, certificate of electronic evidence. If not,
Not
please.
yet produced.
Would you like to produce this as your evidence?
Yes.
Your Honor, the certificate, defense exhibit number 60. I have one last question. Would you play the first clip for me, please?
This from the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission are holding a Nairobi-based businessman who was arrested for allegedly attempting to bribe Governor Mike Sonko. The businessman, identified as Praful Kumar, was seeking approval for the...
Hold it. Did you hear that name?
Yes.
Your Honor, I am now making reference to a document that was marked for identification earlier, 54, a charge sheet. It was an exhibit number 54, charge sheet by defense witness number 5. I want you to read this name. That's the charge sheet, Your Honor.
Praful Kumar Prechand Savla.
Is that the name that is also on there?
Yes, it is.
Keep going.
Grant Manor Hotel in Gigiri, Nairobi, which is under construction.
The anti-corruption body said it arrested the business tycoon with 1 million shillings after they were alerted of dubious events at the residence of Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko on Monday evening.
We've been able to recover the 1 million shillings, and we are going to use it as exhibit again.
Maybe if you could just say out loud, what is he saying? What he just said just now?
They've been able to arrest a businessman and recover 1 million shillings
1
that will
million
be used
shillings.
as an exhibit.
Thank you so much. Your Honor, that would be it for examination in chief. I wish to present.
Yes, Your Honor. I just have one question. Mr. Mijungu, you have no knowledge whether Praful Kumar is a subject of this case. Do you have knowledge of that effect?
Based on the proceedings,
Yes.
based on the proceedings, I believe he is,
Are you aware of what this case is all about?
as far as I know.
Yes. Do you know the parties to this case?
I know,
Or the subject matter?
I know the party to the case, former governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko.
Are you aware of the subject matter of this case?
Not entirely, but I believe it's based on the allegations against corruption while he was governor.
I repeat once more.
Yeah.
Are you aware of the subject matter of this case?
Strictly, no.
You don't know.
No. Strictly.
You know that's all.
Mr. Chair.
Just one question. You've been asked about the point. You please read out who the first accused person is.
Mbuvi Sonko.
Just very quickly, did you feature him or did you see his name feature in that clip?
Yes, we did.
At this juncture, are we, unless the Honorable Court has questions for him.
No question for the witness. The witness stands released. Next.
Your Honor, we will not be calling any other witnesses today. Just be asking very politely to an application that you extend summons that, and also to issue fresh summons to one counsel, Njuguna Mori. Njuguna Mori. Before this honorable court and dated the 14th of May of this year. But just to
that application dated 14th May.
yes, the reason why I'm saying fresh summons is because the name of the advocate was not included in the list of witnesses whose summons you have already approved.
No objection, Your Honor.
Request is granted.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hearing to proceed on 28th of this month
Thank you, Your Honor.
at 9:30 a.m.
Thank you.